Oh my god. No.
Why? Jeez. Huh?
That's silly.
Hello. Oh, oh. Binaril. Guys, kay grabe ang kain ko, guys. Grabe ang lamon. Mag-walking.
I even had tips.
Hindi pwedeng hihiga at upo. Mag-walking ka. Sinama ko na yung body-body ko. So, si Stefano natulog. Kasama si Enzo. So, bahala sila dalaw matulog. Deserve nila yun kasi sila ang nagbayad. Aray ko. Don't shoot my phone. Kasama ko si Enzo ko. Ay, si Lucas.
No, Enrico is not here.
Okay. Let's go. Walking kami para matagtag yung kinain namin. So today, it's Sunday, 4 p.m. Medyo may araw pa. Maya-maya lulubog na yan. Oh, hurry, hurry, Lucas. Ay, lakad-lakad kami. So, sabi ni Lucas, pag nag-forest daw ang buong school nila, dito din daw sila umaakyat, sabi niya. So, alam niya pala tong lugar na to. Lucas, no?
Yeah.
When you go to the forest with your all classmates and teachers, Lucas has, how many teachers you have? 2?
Sometimes 3 and sometimes 2.
Yeah. Sometimes 3 teacher and sometimes 2.
Yeah,
Mayroon siyang Swiss teacher.
Because
No,
the
not Swiss
teacher needs
teacher.
helper.
Yung teacher niya na isa is,
Her mom
tinuturuan siya ng, yung
mine teacher has 3 moms. Wait, no, 2 moms.
sumuso ka dong. So mayroon siya, ang ano ni Lucas is, kasi nasa Switzerland kami, ang tinuturo sa kanila is Swiss, German. And then mayroon siyang extra na German talaga, yung Hochdeutsch tawag nila doon. Hochdeutsch ba? Or basta ganun. Ok. Buset ka, lisod ba ilito? Basta may dalawa siyang teacher, hindi ko alam bakit dalawa. And then nagpo-forest yan sila. Lagi sila umaakyat sa mga bulubundukin. Kaya nagdadala siya lagi ng sausage. Kaya sanay siya sa forest na kasi lagi silang umaakyat every 2 weeks sila umaakyat. Right, baby? You
No,
go to the forest with your teacher every 2 weeks? Na?
No, sometimes sports and sometimes forest.
Okay. Walking kami dalawa para may kasama ako. Yay. You're at the top of the world.
Look!
Yeah.
I could see the
You
blue,
could-
green,
You could,
and yellow house.
yeah.
I could
We're
see
on the
whole world.
top of the world of looking down in the na. Wah! Putang ina yawa. may
What the?
insect. We're on the top of the world of looking down on the earth and every explanation I can find. Hoy, hindi yun ta pwede masinger, ani.
Mamiya!
Ay,
What the?
water? Yeah. Water.
What the?
Papa.
Alligator.
Water.
Alligator.
Come here. So, magpahinga kami, Day. Dito kami mag-upo, Day. So, di ba? Lahat ng walking, kung saan ka pwede mag-walk, laging may ganyan, pahingahan. Laging may ganito. Tapos basurahan. Para sa mga burara, dyan tinatapon dapat. Hindi kung saan. So,
Mommy, don't even try to go there again.
where?
Here. There's big
So, guys, we are resting with my little patuti.
after the mountain
After.
top.
Yeah, na? Yung pulang-pula na siya, oh. Oh, grabe na ang pagkapula ni Dudong.
That's where we come from the other
Busog
side.
na busog ako sa kain namin, Zay. Grabe naman yung...
Mommy, remember we like the other way we could come here?
Yeah.
The other way I showed you? Come.
Where? Which way?
The other way when we was like when there were stones, the
Where?
big stones,
Where?
like the one that's had like a sign that says you can walk. There's like two signs like you can walk here or
I know that was there. I know that.
no,
There's a lot of stone. I show you.
no. Is that and that's the way until here?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what can you say about the food earlier?
Food
Uh-oh.
very delicious, and I kind of like the sushi.
You like the sushi? You not even eat the sushi.
Yes, you did. You gave me one sushi.
Are you eat?
Yeah,
Wow. You like it?
a little bit.
How about the banana thing?
Yeah, I love it so much.
Really?
The reason why I love it so much because it's banana. Bananas.
Yeah,
are
because I know you like a monkey and you love banana.
yeah. Actually, the minions. The reason why I love bananas because of the minions.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Like ba 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 ba
Ba banana. Ba ba ba. When you was a kid, you sing like this when we ride the motorbike. You're in the middle and you sing like this. Banana. Ba 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 banana. That's funny, right?
Yeah, well, I don't remember saying that.
Really?
I always say ba ba ba.
Ba, ba,
Mommy, we could go to Sheep's.
No, we cannot go there.
Yes, that's the entrance.
Really?
Yeah, I think.
But there's an electric shock thing.
Oh yeah, I saw electric.